Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can convert the series in the numbers, the serial orders numbers into the dates. And this is the most requested video tutorial. Many people asked me, and I tried this for 15 minutes and finally I got the result. And all that I want to request you is to just hit a like if you feel this tutorial is helpful. Yeah, I'm just taking a new sheet. Here I'll show you the tutorial. For example, if you have serial numbers like this, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 10 serials numbers, okay? And now if you want to transfer or convert these numbers into the dates, it is pretty easy. First of all, I'll expand this because I'm going to show you the date wise, so it needs some space. I extended. Then I'll click on this number, or you can directly use Control plus 1. Either way, you will get this option. Now I'm clicking on this here. For the date format, I'm checking on this date format. I'll use this long date format, okay? See, the sample date is January 1, 1919, but my current date is different, so I need to edit. That's okay, fine. See here 1990 only came. Now don't deselect this. Everything should be in this selected state. Now my current date is, enter your current date here, okay, at the starting. It is like 2024 and then month of August, no, date of 21 and the month of August, okay. Now just press on any other cell. This is not error, just I need to expand this, okay. It was like the first cell has changed and all the remaining has not changed. Now I'll expand this to the last date serial number. See here, now everything comes into the order into the date wise. Likewise, you can extend this up to your choice. It will just continue. Okay. How much is your requirement? You just need to drag it down. So I wish you like this video because this will be really useful for many people. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.